My favorite thing about the program here is it is completely hands-on learning based. 90% of our classes are done either in the greenhouse, the soils lab, and it involves hands-on activities with plants and soil and experiments and stuff like that. I also love the people. It feels like a giant family here. We only have 4 professors, so all of us have become pretty close to them in our time here. And it's just a nice tight-knit community we have going on.
This piece of equipment we currently have is outdated, and we're unable to fill 4, 6, and 8-inch pots for our students. It'll help us with consistency, it'll help for better overall crop management, and a better educational experience for our students.
It would also be more organized because when we're in the soils lab filling it, it's just chaotic. So if we had a machine just having it like even, having everything even in the pots and just looking the same, then it would be a lot easier and more consistent.
The students will be able to have an industry standard machinery that they'll be more likely to see out in the industry after they leave here, rather than using a flat filler from older times. And it's just more industry standard than just regular hand filling pots.
This pot flat filler will allow us to give our students the best possible education they can, getting them up with the industry standards that once they leave here in Morrisville, they will go into the industry and be using typical equipment that you'll see with this filler. And it allows us to give them their best possible education while they're here, and also allows us to grow as a department and as a campus as well.